Gina with WTI, and if you're looking for a really versatile set of small vases that have a super cute farmhouse look, you have to check out these ones I got from Funsoba. Right off the bat, the thing that I liked about them the most is just how many different ways that I can use them. So obviously it comes with its own set of artificial flowers, but the real winner here is the set of vases. I like to dry my own flowers, and I've had this set of flowers just kind of hanging around on a shelf for a couple of years, but once I put them into the vases, they looked so good, and actually implementing them with the artificial flowers that come with the vases, I thought looked really good. These also hold water, and that means that you can put your own fresh flowers in them. The vases are a nice thick glass, and I'm so glad because I accidentally dropped one of them and it didn't break. I also really like the color of the wood tray. It's like kind of a whitewashed gray color, and that complements nicely with the tone of the metal surrounding the vases. And if you want that extra sparkle, it comes with LED twinkle lights so you can really brighten up any room. I'm really pleased with all the different ways that I can use these vases, and that's my point of view.